All right, get step 3. So we've received our funds. We either put it in our own bank account if our mortgage company wasn't on the check, or we had to send some the check up with some paperwork up to your mortgage company. And now we got to decide what brand of shingles, what contractor to deal with, how the work's going to get done. So first of all, that's where we come in as contractors. Certainteed and Owens Corning are the highest rated shingles according to Consumer Reports. We like both brands. You can only be registered and certified with one company, and we are certified with the Certainteed company. They're landmark dimensional shingles, what we've been putting on for almost 10 years now. Love the product. All dimensional shingles are 30-year prorated shingles, material only, prorated over that course. And that's what everybody puts on, different brands of dimensionals right now. No more 3-tabs. The difference is, because of our affiliation with Certainteed, we're able to offer a 20-year, 100% non-prorated material and 100% labor warranty from Certainteed. So it's a huge warranty advantage to the customer. So I get a little confused when I see IKO and Tamco shingles being put on, usually by a lot of the storm guys, just to save a couple $100 per job. They are the least expensive product, roofing product out there. It's not my opinion, that's a fact. So we put on the best quality material. Felt goes underneath shingles, always has, as an underlayment. In valleys, you use a product called Winter Guard, also called Ice and Water Shield. It's like sticky rubber where ice and water build up. By code, you need to do it on the gutter line. We do that as well. And then typically go far over that code as far as Winter Guard. We run it up parapet walls, around chimneys, skylights, any low-lying areas. So we go overboard with the Winter Guard. When we remove your roof in the morning, we get a typical roof done in a day, a 20 to 30 square, like ranch type home. We get it off in the morning, address any bad decking if there is any, re-nail it, all the underlayment installed, and then the guys go to lunch, and then we'll shingle until it's done. We do a lot of high-end homes. If you got a 40, 50, 60 square, 10, 12 roof, it's going to be a 2-3 day project. So we're very meticulous about our cleanup. Got a guy down there with the magnet getting everything pulled up so the property looks like we've never been there. Siding wise, I have preferences as to brands, but I have samples from all the different brands, colors and styles. The least expensive grade in any brand is an 040. We never put that on. 042 is not a bad siding. 044 is what we prefer. It's thicker, obviously. It retains its color much better, and the locking system's so much better than entry-level siding. So that's what we put on. Siding-wise, it just costs a couple more dollars to get. We put the best that we can. There is 046. There is stuff a little bit thicker if you need the very best. It's an 8 on the scale of 1 to 10. The 044 is. So we put the good stuff on. We don't cut any corners as far as installation. I've had the same roofers for 6 years, the same siding guys for 4 years. They were born and raised in Ohio, U.S. citizens, and that's all they do is roofing or siding. They specialize in it. They didn't just start doing this. So big advantage warranty-wise. Me personally, I do what I say I'm going to do, and I'm upfront with people about what their options are, and that's what people typically want. If somebody who's upfront with them, does what they say they're going to do, put the best quality materials on promptly, efficiently, and that's what we offer. So we're not the biggest roofing company that's out there, but we do things right, and our customer service and our attention to detail is second to none. So that's my spiel about some of the basics. Soffit, fascia, gutters, shutter samples, we have all that with us. So now's the time. Sometimes people have been wanting to make maybe some changes to the exterior look, a new roof color, some new shutters. I end up being like an exterior designer to some degree. So I'll show you all your options there. So that will speak to contractor side of it. There's a lot of guys out there with salesmen from all across the country, or they hire the canvassers, younger kids to come out there and knock doors to get leads for the other guys. And not a high pressure salesman, although you're very thorough, would obviously want your business. But some of the acts of the industry are a little questionable, so there's this cloud. Sometimes if you've had some bad experiences with some of these guys, you know, to label everybody in the roofing or siding business that way. So we are an exception to some things that unfortunately a lot of people have experienced if you're especially in those hail-stricken areas. So anyway, roofohio.com is the website. You can learn more about our company. And let's move to the conclusion video here on the next set.